Popular comedian Leroy Zaware, widely known as Comic Elder, paid a visit to State House on Saturday, where he was rewarded with a brand new Ford Raptor vehicle by President Emerson Mnangagwa. Sarabina mashoko buda pangwa ina chonkonzo Comic Elder anozikana kuti ndiwo komene maskits pangwa ine ojoina 2030 Bandwagon. Don't subscribe or like on the bell icon. Tipina munau mushure Comic Elder apiwa chipo chemotokari ende pangwa ino achizopiwa zvekare mari kunzi atenge imba na businessman Wigino Chivayo. Munau mzimu anobudanyura chiti popular comedian Leroy Zaware, while known as Comic Elder, paid a visit at State House. The young entertainer, who has gained nationwide fame for his humorous skits and motivational content, arrived at State House carrying his signature Shanghai bag, a gesture that amused many of his fans online and symbolized his humble beginnings. In a statement following the presentation, Comic Elder expressed deep gratitude to President Mnangagwa for the generous gesture, describing it as an inspiration to Zimbabwean youth and a recognition of the country's creative sector. He wrote, "Your Excellency, I wish to extend my deepest gratitude and appreciation for the exceptional honor you have bestowed upon me through the generous gift of the Ford Raptor. This gesture is a powerful reminder of your commitment to uplifting Zimbabwean youth and empowering talent across diverse sectors. I am truly humbled and motivated to continue serving our nation through creative arts and positive influence." Comic Elder also thanked the Minister of Youth, Empowerment, Development and Vocational Training, Comrade Tinoda Machakaire, for his pivotal role in supporting young creative. He praised the minister's unwavering support and advocacy for youth empowerment and his dedication to creating opportunities for the youths. He further acknowledged Mr. Tungwarara for his continued mentorship and belief in local talent, saying, "His guidance has opened doors for many Zimbabwean creatives striving to raise the national flag high. Your Excellency, this support is not only a gift to me as Comic Elder, but a profound encouragement to the entire creative industry. I remain committed to representing Zimbabwe with pride, discipline, and excellence," he said. Ndo mashoko anobuda panguva ino achioneka kunzi aiwa Comic Elder chipo awa chimota vehicle panguva ino onyatsongoonekwa kunzi is now joining again nawo Z2030 akusapota vakomana veZANU-PF pamwe chete nekusapotawo vechidiki. Pina comment section medu zvafungura aimotodiwa pamusoro pechitiko ichi. So subscribe or like, check on the bell icon.